Hi, my name is Camilla Mott, and I'm from www.momsonthego.com. And what we do, we are virtual assistants, and we can help you out with anything that you need on the internet, search engine optimization, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, anything that you need help with on the internet and off the internet. We help big businesses as well as small businesses. Today what we're going to talk about is customizing your public profile. We're going to change your name on your profile so that the search engines can pick you up very quickly and easily. So first thing you want to do is click into your LinkedIn account, and as you can see, I'm already there. So then I'm going to go over to my profile, and I'm going to click that for my profile. Then I'm going to go over to the right and scroll down. And then we're going to look to the left in this section right here where it says your LinkedIn name, and then we click edit. Then you're going to scroll down a little bit more and look to the right on your screen. This is really easy. You go to your current URL, which is right here. You click customize your public profile URL, and then this box is going to come up right here. And so what you do is the current name that you have in there, it's probably a long name with numbers. You're going to make this a little shorter so that people can remember you, and when you want to post it on Facebook or Twitter, you can go in and just type your name, and then you'll have something easier to remember instead of the long name that's there now. So you put your name like we did, Moms on the Go, and then you click here, set custom URL, and then you're done. And then it's all changed, and now the search engines are going to be able to pick you up with a different name. You're going to be able to put that on your business cards or anything else that you want to do. So I appreciate you listening. Thank you so much for your time. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We are again at www.momsonthego.com, and we don't just cater to moms, we cater to everyone. Thank you and have a blessed day.